Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Friends, as usual, today also in this video, I again came with a product review. So, firstly, I want to just check this LED strip. So, I thought of buying this. So, this is the picture, how it looks. As you can see in the picture, you can put this strip over your living area or bedrooms, and this what how it looks so attractive. So I just want to check this. So I bought this product from takealot.com. You'll even get this product in Amazon India also. So first let me unbox this first. If anyone watching my channel for the very first time, please do subscribe me, and if you are interested in this video, please proceed further. So here is my product. Let me not consider this because this is an use and throw mask. It just came in this box, so let me not consider this. And this is our product. This is an LED light strip. So let me remove this and show you. Package is so simple, guys. As you can see in the back side, all the specification is been written. You can read it off. So guys, first let me tell you what's inside the box. You'll get one 12-volt 3528 red green blue lights of 5 mm LED stripes. You'll get red green blue with a remote. This is the remote. Lightweight simple look remote you'll get, and this is the LED stripe light, and you'll get one power adapter also. So these are the items which is inside the box. So now guys, let me fix to my wall and let's check it out. Guys, I'm trying this product for the very first time for the experimental purpose. I just bought for 5 mm LED stripe light, and you'll get more length also, and similarly the price will also vary. Just I want to check it out, so I'm just fixing on my wall. In Amazon product you'll get for 500 and more than that also according to the quality. So I think this is for 150 rand it is worth, and just for the experimental I took this. So guys, this is ideal for home lighting, bedroom rope lighting, and any architectural lights, and it will be well suited for staircase also. You can see the different colors over here. Using the remote you can control the lights. Using the remote you can make the light as stagnant or blinking, and even you can change according to your convenient also. As you can see, I'm using my remote and changing the light. Since I bought only 5 mm light, and this will be suited for my living area, even though it is not full, but I'm satisfied with this product. And I thought of buying this again because I want to fill my living area with this. And I'm changing the light, as you can see. With this light I also have a Galaxy Sky Star projector, and this is the Galaxy Sky Star projector, and this is the different light. So I even made unbox video of the Galaxy Sky Star projector. If you are interested in that video, I'll be placing that video link in the I button. You can go and check it out once. And this is what my living area looks like. So I'm literally impressed of this product, and even the quality of the product is good. Friends, let me tell you, it has a strong self-adhesive tape which securely stick into your wall such that it doesn't leave any marks, and it doesn't remove also. The gum is so secured, and it doesn't remove the paint also, guys. So it will be securely stick to your wall, so you don't need to think it off. Like if I'm removing the product, the wall sticker or wall paint might be removed. No, don't think it off. It will be easily removed. Friends, if you are interested in buying this product, the product link will be on my description. And that's it for today. Thank you so much.